In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a TRX squat and row. So firstly, I've got the TRX handles set up in a position here where they're at hip height. So you can go high or low with the handles. It won't affect the exercise. The only thing that's going to affect is if you have the handles really low, you're going to be walking out further. If you have the handles high, you won't have to walk out as far. So it depends on the space you've got when doing the exercise. Now, firstly, having my hands in the handles, making sure that I'm directly underneath where the TRX is suspended is step number one. And I've also got a grip here where my palms are facing each other. Now, once I've got a complete extended arm position, my feet come just a little bit wider than hip width apart, and I'm going to keep my arms completely straight as I bring my hips down. As I come as low as I can, or as low as your hip mobility allows, what you're then going to do is row up as you then use your legs as well whilst coming up out of that squat. So it means you're going to be able to go lower when doing this because you've got the assistance from your arms as well as from your legs as well. So we keep completely straight, leaning back, looking up towards the TRX is suspended. From here, we bend the knees, and as we're in this full squat position, or as low as you can do, you use the arms and you row up as you come back up. So I'm going to do a couple of quick repetitions now, just so you can see the difference when I start to increase the speed. I've always got my arms completely extended before I drop down into my squat, and you'll notice as well I'm using those arms to assist when coming back up out of the motion. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and it's a nice dynamic exercise to do for circuits or alternatively for high intensity training.